Hi friends, welcome to another new video. Today in this video, I am going to show you a special liquid fertilizer for your plants that will make your plants grow faster and that will help your plants to produce more and more vibrant flowers just as like this. The first ingredient in this liquid fertilizer is the banana peels. What you have to do is you have to collect some banana peels. Any type of banana peels is suitable. After collecting the banana peels, you have to cut them into small slices. The banana peels are very rich source of potassium, sulfur and phosphorus that will help your plants to grow faster and that will help your plants to produce more flowers on your plant. It will also provide your plants some resistance against certain bugs and other pests. These are the reasons that you should include banana peels in this fertilizer. Okay, now our banana peels are ready. Now moving on to the next ingredients. The next ingredient is nothing other than onion peels. You have to collect onion peels from your kitchen. The onion peels are rich in one of the antioxidants known as quercetin. They help to strengthen the root system of plant and also prevent pests and improve the structure of soil. And this one also helps in reviving dying plants. So include onion peels. The next ingredient is nothing other than eggshells. Eggshells are rich source of calcium. Calcium in plant is converted into calcium carbonate, which is a major component of their cell wall. So that's why I included calcium in this mixture. Okay, now what we are going to do is I am going to prepare the liquid fertilizer using these three components. I will show you how to do that. You have to take about 1 liter of water and then you have to add the ingredients into the water and boil these ingredients for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, now all the ingredients are added into the water. Remember that I have taken 1 liter of water for boiling. Okay, now let's wait the water to boil. Okay, now our water is just begin to boil. During the boiling, all the organic matter from these three ingredients will be extracted into the water and then we can use the water. Remember to stir the ingredient well during the boiling. Make sure that the solution has boiled for at least 5 minutes. Okay, now our solution is ready. Now let's take this out and keep aside for cooling. After cooling, you can take a plastic container just as like this and then transfer all the solution with the materials into that and place this one aside for 2 days. During these 2 days, more extraction will take place and that will increase the efficiency of our liquid fertilizer. Okay, now place this aside for 2 days. After 2 days, you can take the solution and I will show you how to dilute the solution and use them on your plants. Now our solution is 2 days old. Now I am going to filter out the contents into a separate container just as like this. You have to filter out the solution into a separate container. Okay, the solution will be looking like slightly reddish as you can see here and you have to dilute this solution to use into other plants. Now I am going to add another 1 liter of water into the solution to make it more dilute. This type of fertilizer is mainly useful in flowering plants because they will increase the flowers on your plants. Okay, now let me show you how to use this on your plants. You have to take this in a special container. After that you can use or you can pour this solution at the base of your plants. It will work with potted as well as non-potted plants. As I have said earlier, this is very good for your flowering plants such as roses and hibiscus. Okay friends, that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in our comment section. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day guys.